I can ekwu ihe me na mba obodo Asari Dokubo. Hunu mana mba raise alarm over that incident. Enwere a lot of people bịa na ekwu kwesị na Asari na eme nke Asari eme nke ọzọ, mana the bottom line is Asari na-atụ ịga ọgụ. Asari need ka ndị Igbo nwe gịnị caution gụnye, mana mụrụ m onwezikwa onye Igbo nwe dị moral confront Asari because na onwere onye Igbo mma yekwunwu some of the things Asari Dokubo kwugo against Igbo. Ikwugo a lot of things against Igbo, no problem. Mana nke ịbịazi bịa join nwa ọgụ between onye Igbo na onye ebe anụ nwa ka e wee mee kọta isi hon maka na gịnị because na ha agree na ha bụ ndị Igbo. Data na ha chọzi ka na receive ha na-asị ha na ha bụrụ ndị Igbo. Mana e nwere one thing bịa caught my attention. That is what I'm about to show you people in this video. Two video here and never get two. Ofu bụ nke dị malam onye Hausa emele interview. O wee kwuo ihe mere na kwucha ihe niile ka o si according to him ihe o kwuru ekwu. And he ended up by saying that no, ha agwago ndị be ha ebe ọbụla ha nọ. Ha mee gịnị ha defend ya onwe ha. Onwe na-aghọta that na ebe ọbụla ụmụ nwanne ha nọ ha mee gịnị ha defend ya onwe ha. So what are they trying now to say? So onye Hausa ọbụla nọ na ya territory the guide. Onye Hausa ọbụla nọ na be gị, nọ na street unu, nọ na village unu, ha dey guided because this is the order ndị be ha na-enye ha. How can malam na nọrọ mgbe ihe mee but abenye order si ndị be ha onye ọbụla kpatụkwa ha defend ya onwe ha? And they are saying it with all boldness. Kedu ka esi bi obodo mmadụ? Ima obey the rules of the land. Ima obey the laws of the land. Ima obey the condition of the land. Ima mbịa obey mgbe ndị obodo na-eme traditional culture and this. If ha na-agagali na-emelu onwe ihe ha because na have my right ime. Ha na-eme ihe ọzọ iwe si na onye ọbụla metụ ha aka they have the right to defend themselves. Now the second man we na-aba mba na that video kedu ihe ọ na-ekwu? That he is unhappy the ways we conduct that interview. Okwulu ke he si we mee. Kwukwa na si na even that man ahụ kwulu okwu na that video was not around mgbe ihe ha mee. That is so na ihe ha na-ekwu ekwu bụ ihe agwa ha agwa, just like Asari Dokubo. Asari Dokubo na-ekwu okwu based on ihe agwali ya. He was never there. Gwa kene ha provide kenegu one evidence or one thing or one somebody. All these things may go that they are willing to bring out that evidence over the thing. None of them have that evidence. Man, the only thing they could ever do no. Anya sa. If outside now go on the ha defend young man, then I we borrow man because you get the second guy who could some of the things in outside men at that community. And nobody na caution her. Obedi have hammer must mother. As if they have the right to take away people's life. Enwere onye ji ndụ mmadụ ibia. So ebe ọbụla ị nọ anyasa ekwuchakwanụ Gordon.
The two people that fought and one stabbed another are northerners. And as it happened, it is the work of security agencies, to arrest the perpetrators, and prosecute them according to the laws of the land. It is not the job of people, to team up, and start protesting that Hausa must go. If you look at it, there is difference between this incident that happened and the protest. That's the intention of the protesters, because they have been doing that. Either the commemoration of Biafran independence, every commemoration on 30th May, Northerners must be attacked. When the Obibo when the end of Escalates this happened, protests, Northerners were attacked. So you can see that anytime there's an opportunity, some certain ethnic group will attack Northerners. So we are calling on government and security agencies, especially the DSS, to be partial, to be, at least, to be neutral. Because some of things that today we are experiencing with Northerners, because of the DSS, they are not doing their job. Because we have seen that they are not neutral. The problem started from our community chieftaincy to today. And when the DSS are stopping people from seeing government or writing something against a certain of people. People now always, they cannot protect him because he has violated the law, he has committed a crime. They may protect him from being lynched as their brother, but he cannot protect somebody that killed a person. We don't support criminality. Anybody that committed a crime, he should be judged according to a crime he committed. But what we are saying is that the thing has gone beyond that crime. The thing has gone to affect the community as a whole. Because the protest that was conducted or was conducted against Northerners entirely. Hausa must go. What does that crime? What does that crime that is committed against one Northerner to another that will lead to a protest by a certain ethnic group that Northerners should go, because it has become a continuous process. But the only assurance I'm giving here, wanted, Northerners, we are not looking for trouble. 2, I ask my people to be peaceful and law abiding. 3, don't allow yourself to be killed because there's nobody's protecting you. I told my people, don't look for trouble, don't attack anybody, but when you attack, yes, you respond, you protect your life, because only the living that can testify. So what I'm saying is that I've told my people, yes, they should not look for trouble. And anybody that committed an offense, there are laws of this land that are constitutionally established to deal with that situation.
If somebody commits a crime,
yes,
are you committing that you will hand the person over to the law enforcement agencies by yourself?
No, if you look at when this thing happened, we are not around here. We came here based on what happened here. But I'm telling you that me, if anybody commits a crime, I will take that criminal and hand over him to the security agencies. That's our job. And let me tell you, we have been doing it discreetly. We are working with security agencies. Only now that this one came, that's why I'm telling you that we have got change of DSS operations and the way they this. So I'm calling on the DSS to tell security, the DSS in River State, to be neutral on house activities.
When the wheelbarrow pusher stabbed the trader here, and the people that is in the environment, they were not happy of what happened. They traced the abokis. Just like if you can watch, look at all the abokis line up wheelbarrows everywhere. You cannot pursue them. If you tell them to leave, say yeah, move, they will not listen to you, because one, most of them don't hear what they don't hear come, they don't hear go. So if you are talking to them, they will bring out another inner eye to even look at you. So that is why I was not even happy the way you people conduct this interview, because I suppose I will say the allergy is here, so that both of us will tell him, because it's not even in the market, to know what their people are doing, so that for them to educate their people more as well, in how to deal with live with people as well. For example, I'm not from North, but I feel call any Hausa person, they tell us, say, my boy, do like this. Because I'm not his boss, I'm not his oga, he's not working for me. He will not even take any advice from anybody, except that thing that is in his mind. If you are talking to any Hausa here now, sometimes they will bring out another inner eye to look at you. For you not to be protected, all you need to do is that to chase them away from the place. And the process of chasing, they will come up with a dagger and so on and so forth. Because the Alhaji himself will not tell me that he's not even aware. Okay, look at the last interview I met two people interviewing him that they told their people to be protecting themselves. What is the meaning of protecting themselves? To be killing people. So protecting yourself, if in as long as, maybe for example, what is the protecting? I'm here for a business. Their brothers come out here for business as well. Maybe in the market, quarrel may come in one way or the other. All they need to do now is to listen to the market leaders. But they will not listen, except they will group themselves to start fighting. So that is why I'm not even happy the way you people conduct the interview without even inviting the market chairman.